Cardiac cycle. Introduction. The cardiac cycle is a sequence of events that occur during one complete heartbeat. It involves the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart muscle, leading to the pumping of blood throughout the body. The cardiac cycle consists of two main phases: systole contraction and diastole relaxation. Phase of cardiac cycle: arterial systole, duration 0.1 seconds. The arterial contraction pushing blood into ventricles. The atrioventricular AV valve, tricuspid and mitral valve are open. Similar valve, pulmonary and aortic valve are closed. Involuntary contraction, duration 0.05 seconds. The ventricular begin to contract with no volume change. All heart valves are closed. Ventricular pressure arises. Ventricular systole. Ejection phase. Duration 0.3 seconds. Ventricular pressure exceeds the pressure in aorta and pulmonary artery. Seminal valve open, allowing blood to be ejected. Blood flow into the aorta and pulmonary artery. Volumetric relaxation. Duration 0.08 seconds. Ventricular start to relax. Cause a drop in pressure. All heart valves are closed. Ventricular pressure fall without volume change. Ventricular diastole rapid filling phase. Duration 0.1 second. Ventricular pressure drop below arterial pressure. AV valve open, allowing rapid filling of ventricles. Diastasis. Duration 0.2 second. Slow filling of ventricular as pressure equalizes. Arteria and ventricle are relaxed. AV valve remain open and seminal valve are closed. Key point: heart sound loop doop sound are produced by closing of heart valve. Loop S1 is due to the closure of AV valve and doop S2 is closer to seminal valve. Electrocardiogram ECG. The P wave represent arterial depolarization. QRS complex represent ventricular depolarization and T wave represent ventricular repolarization (repo). Stroke volume. The volume of blood ejected by each ventricle per beat, typically around 70 ml. Cardiac output. The volume of blood pumped by each ventricle per minute, calculated as heart rate HR stroke volume SV. Conclusion: the cardiac cycle is crucial physiological process that ensure the continuous circulation of blood throughout the body. Understanding the phase of cardiac cycle and their significance help is comprehending how the heart function and maintains life.